Stop by and take a look at the 2005 Dodge Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, heated side mirrors, remote keyless entry, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.